Hi, my name is Craig Rosasco, and I'm an attorney practicing in New York State in the area of both workers' compensation and New York State disability claims. I'm going to talk to you today about the difference between the two types of claims. There is quite a confusion between the two, and not a day goes by that a person calls my office, says, I want to file for disability, when ultimately they mean that they want to file for workers' compensation. What is New York State disability? New York State disability is temporary cash payments that are payable to you when you're injured off the job. So if you're at home and you're working on a ladder and you fall down, that's not workers' compensation. That's New York State disability. And you would file through your employer what's called a New York State disability claim. Eligibility claims, you must have been working for your employer for 4 weeks prior to the date of the accident. In order to claim disability, you've got to file what's called a DB-450 form. That DB-450 form is available on the New York State Workers' Compensation Board website and typically has to be filed within 30 days of your removal from the place of work. If your disability claim is denied, you need to file what's called a DB-451 within 30 days also, asking for review of that claim. And that gets filed with the Disability Benefits Bureau at the Workers' Compensation Board. Now, in contrast, a workers' compensation case is when you're injured on the job. When you get hurt lifting something, a slip and fall in a parking lot, or a work-related motor vehicle accident, those are all covered underneath workers' compensation. You're eligible for workers' compensation as of day one and your place of employment. You do not pay for workers' compensation coverage. Workers' compensation coverage is paid for by your employer and has no cash involvement on your behalf. Workers' compensation will pay you cash benefits, and let's talk about the differences between workers' compensation benefits and disability benefits. Currently, as of today, the maximum under workers' compensation law is $739 a week, and those benefits are tax-free. To the contrary, under New York State disability, the most you can get is $170 a week, and it only extends for 26 weeks, and those benefits are taxable. So there are significant differences between the two benefits. Why do you need to know this information? Because you may have recently been injured at home or on the job and you've got questions, and I've got the answers. So I want you to call me, 1-877-NY-DB-LAW, or find me on the internet at www.nydisabilitylaw.com. If you like this information that I've just given you, feel free to press the like button down on the bottom of the screen. That'll send this information out to all your friends on both YouTube and Facebook. Thanks for listening.